Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. This road goes all the way to Williamsfield. So you can now go from Kingston to Williamsfield in Manchester on a highway. Now the government is also building a highway from Harbourview to Albion in St. Thomas. So with all these roads being built, the government is now working with the JUTC, that's the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, to expand the bus service to Williamsfield and Albion, because you can get there so much easier. Jamaica is moving forward re-transport. Once you open up new sections other country via these super highways, you're going to have a lot more business happening there. You're going to have more developments. You're going to have more stores, plazas. So you need to get people to and from these locations to work, to shop, for whatever reason. It's opening up. And the main way to transport people around Jamaica is via the bus. So the Jamaica Urban Transit Company is looking to expand operations to 2 routes covered by these highways. Now, unfortunately, we don't have a passenger train service going through the island of Jamaica. We used to, but it stopped. And we don't have a domestic airline. So you can charter a plane for a trip, but they don't travel. You can't have a scheduled service. So the roads or the buses are basically what you consider transportation in Jamaica, the public transportation. You can use taxis as well, but buses are far more efficient. Alright, so we're just going to give you some more information on the JUTC expanding its routes. As the Jamaican government continues to build out the country's road network under the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, the Jamaica Urban Transit Company is looking to expand operations to 2 routes covered by the project. These are Williamsfield in Manchester and Albion in St. Thomas. Telecommunications and Transport Minister Honorable Darrell Vaz made a disclosure at the recent opening of the Maypen to Williamsfield segment of the highway. As we build out the infrastructure, we need to provide public transportation. So I am pleased to announce that we are looking at JUTC in relation to expanding the routes to Williamsfield and Albion in St. Thomas. We are also opening up routes for larger buses that are privately owned that can be licensed so that we can take the school children in and of course commuters easily, the minister said. In addition, Mr. Vaz said that 6 new buses will be arriving in the island in October and another 14 in January. These will add to the 50 units recently acquired for the state-owned company, which the minister said have been helpful in reducing wait times at the Halfway Tree Transport Center. We are presently trying to work with the Ministry of Finance and Public Service in terms of refleeting. More will be said on that, he noted. Alright, so that's the end of the article about the new routes. Now, this is very good. Now, I'm not sure, in terms of the new routes, something that I'm not really sure how this happened or what happened is you need 400 buses a day to roll out. Your fleet is down to 168 or call it 170. Why did it get down to 170 before they started to buy the new buses? If you need 400 and you're down to 350, that's when they should have done it. Nonetheless, they are bringing in the buses. 50 came in the other day and they've made a huge impact, and more are on the way. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Now, to get to Williamsfield from Kingston or to Mandeville is 40 minutes. Game changer. So the buses definitely can get there easier and quicker. So it makes sense to have the buses running on the route. Albion, you can probably get there in 20 minutes on a new highway. It's still under construction, so the times are going to be a little longer. But once it's finished, you can get there in no time. So this is very good. It's opening up it's opening up the country basically. So I think this is an excellent move. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.